Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Nandakumar Chavan, and our today's Viva topic is OOPS concepts, means object oriented programming system concepts. OOPS means a real object means a real world entity such as a pen, chair, table, computer, watch, etc. Object oriented programming is a methodology to design a program using classes and objects. Classes and objects are the important concepts in OOPS. It specifies software development and maintenance by providing some concepts, that is object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. So we see it one by one. First is object. So what is object? An object can be defined as an instance of a class. An object contains an address and takes up some space in memory. Next one is class. Collection of objects is called as class. It is logical entity. A class can also be defined as a blueprint from which you can create an individual object. Class doesn't consume any space. Next one is inheritance. When one object acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent object, it is known as inheritance. It provides code reusability and it is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. So next one is polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways, it is known as polymorphism. In Java, we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Next is abstraction, hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. There are some advantages of OOPS over procedure and object oriented programming language. Means depending upon the procedure and process oriented programming language. First advantage is OOPS make development and maintenance easier, whereas in a procedure oriented language it is not easy to manage if code grows as project size increases. Means uh, means when our project size or durability increases, the code also increases. So here we can't minimize our code and we can't minimize our code. Second one is OOPS provides data hiding, whereas in a procedure oriented programming language, global data can be accessed from anywhere. OOPS is a there is an important feature of data hiding that can be provided by OOPS and comparing with object oriented process oriented programming language, global data can be accessed from anywhere. There is difference between OOPS and object based programming language. So we see the difference of them in detail. Object based programming language follows all the features of OOPS except inheritance. JavaScript and uh, are JavaScript is example of object-based programming language. It can't uses inheritance. So in our today's session we will cover following points, that is abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, object, class. So this is all about OOPS concepts in Java. OOPS is object oriented programming system, and object means real world entity such as uh, real world entity such as pen, chair, etc. Thank you.